All right, today we're going to be working with the April edition Sea of Glass for Scholastic News. I read all about how there's lots of trash on the beaches because a long time ago, there weren't laws about trash. Now, if you were riding in a car and you threw something out the window, you could get a fine and have to pay money. Or you might even have to go around picking up other people's trash as a community service. So now we have laws about trash. Trash has to go into the trash can. But a long time ago, people would go to the beaches and they would bring lots of food and they just left their trash there. So over time, lots and lots of pieces of glass got washed into the shore or washed into the ocean. And as those waves continued to roll, the glass would tumble and it would hit the sand over and over and over again. And eventually all of those sharp edges became really, really soft and dull. So our job today, after learning about the history of sea glass, is to determine, should people be allowed to take sea glass? Some people think yes, and some people think no. I found the reasons in the section with the heading Disappearing Glass. That is on the inside second page at the top. So I'm going to read that part to you, and when I hear something that supports why people think they should be allowed to take sea glass, I'm going to write it down. And you may have noticed I have a blooper. You don't get to see that one. I have this one because I made a little bit of a mistake. But anyway, now people come from all over to see the beautiful beach. But there's a problem. People don't just look at sea glass. Some people take pieces home as souvenirs. So a souvenir is something that you have that reminds you of a time you went someplace. So I'm going to write souvenir. Some people take pieces of glass to help them remember the beach that they went to. Maybe it's helping them to remember the time that they had with their family. Maybe they really enjoyed the water. Maybe it was the first time they had ever been to a beach. Who knows? But people keep souvenirs to help them remember those times. So souvenir is one reason why people think they should be allowed to take the sea glass. Some people take pieces home as souvenirs. All of that beautiful glass is starting to disappear. That might help you over here on the no side. I'm going to have you do that part independently. The people who take sea glass say they're not doing anything wrong. The glass used to be trash. They say it belongs to anyone who wants it. So I think that's a reason that would help to support why people think they should be allowed to take sea glass. It's just trash. Anybody can take it. Other people disagree. They say the glass should be left alone. They want people to be able to come and see the beautiful beach for years to come. Nature turned a pile of trash into a beautiful treasure. What should happen next? So we just came up with 3 reasons: souvenirs, it's just trash, anybody can take it, to support that people should be allowed to take sea glass. Now I want you to find 2 reasons from the article that support why people should not be able to take sea glass. See you later, guys.